Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add a location to Google Maps, and this is actually very simple. What you need to do at first is head over to Google Maps, just like so. And then at the bottom you see Explore, You, Contribute. You want to click on Contribute. From there, what you want to do is click on Add Place, which is the first option. And then it's going to ask you a few questions. So the place name, so you put in the name, category. So what type of place is it? Is it just a building, education, office, or industrial, food, drink, shopping, things like that? So just choose your category, and then you have to mandatorily put in the address. You could also uh, just choose the pin. Let's say it's here but it doesn't show, so click on OK. And also make sure you put in the address, location within, so you put in the area, and then under add more details, let's say if it's a restaurant, you want to put in the hours, like what day of the time is it open, and then is it open all hour, when is it open from, things like that, phone number, if they have any website, and the most important, adding photos. And this is how to do it after you click on submit. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.